welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm Maria. If you are new around here, what I do on this channel is clean, decorate, and organize with me content. If you're into content like that, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up for this video, comment, and share. So it's another laundry routine video, and I'm also doing a grocery haul. So let's jump right. The battery on my other camera died, so I'm using a different camera. I need to get backup batteries. But yeah, what was I saying? I was saying grocery haul. What else did I? Oh, this is the most important part of my intro. To my new subscribers, welcome to the channel, welcome to the family. We are glad to have you over here in this corner of YouTube. We are a very loving and inclusive family. I love you, and like I said, welcome to the family. To my existing subscribers, my day ones, my regulars, my VIP subbies who always return to watch my videos, I love you guys. You know that. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? If you're watching this video and you've watched me before, you're back for more. So just go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because all I do is create a premium content. All right, so let's get into the haul. Crackers, gum, crackers, You guys probably don't know what this is, but it's called bulla. It's like a hard bun. It's from Jamaica. So that's that. You guys know I love curry, so I got some hot and spicy hot, and just regular curry seasoning. And I got some salted codfish. Cabbage, and I got some avocados, and more avocados because I love them, especially in my salad. Waffles, turkey bacon, some ripe bananas, I have the banana wrap right here. Okay, there you go. Zucchini, lemons, oh, and these flowers died, so I got some fresh flowers. Salad, broccoli, what's this again? Mushroom, broccoli, green beans, and once in a while I like to indulge in some bagels. Once in a while. Got some baby spinach. I like the bigger container, but I didn't see any bigger container where I went today. I went to Whole Foods. I know Publix normally have the bigger containers as well, so I'll check them out. Peppers for seasoning the pot, and salads, and asparagus, blueberries and raspberries. Ooh. Zucchini. Cucumber. Salad, more salad. Green beans or string beans. Plums. And some apples. Some eggs for breakfast. Pretty much don't have any more space on the counter. I got some snapper steak. And I got 2 containers of the snapper steak. Woo! Gosh. Fell on my socks. The water from the bags, and I'm gonna have to wash my socks because it's gonna smell like fish. All right. Okay. What else? Salmon. And some shrimps. All right. I get the fish in the fridge. So I put away the groceries and I did the floral arrangement. It's okay. Floral arrangement is okay. I think I like the arrangement I had before, but this one is, it's okay. So I need to do some laundry. Oh, I'll show you guys the floral arrangement when after I start the laundry. I just want to get the laundry started. The socks that the fish water spilled on. So someone in the comment section requested to see how the top load for the dryer works. I did show that in, I think it was the last laundry video. I showed how the top for the washer works and the dryer, but I'm going to show it again. The buttons and on the top, of course, it controls the upper portion of the dryer, and then the power button is right here. You just power it on, power it off, and then when I power it on, it's on shirts / blouse. There's also undergarment, sweater, and accessories. So it just depends on what you're washing. You can also add time. Where it says time, you can add time. And you know, you could add any amount of time you want. Well, on sweaters, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So it looks like it goes up to 2 hours and 30 minutes for sweaters and blouse. And undergarments, you can increase the time as well. Yeah, and then you also have air dry, super speed, and smart control. I'm not trying to do smart control. And then you just power it on, put your clothes in, whatever you want to wash, you're gonna, dry, you're gonna of course lift this and dry it. So that's pretty much how it works. Obviously you're not going to be able to put a lot of stuff in the top portion. Like I said, I would do like my blouse, like 1 or 2 blouses, underwears, just light stuff in the top portion. Like if you want to do a small load, that's what these are for, the top portion for the washer and the top portion for the dryer. But that's very small loads. Yeah, that's it, very simple. So I hope you guys did enjoy this quick laundry motivational and inspirational video to get up and get the laundry going. This is my floral arrangement. I'm not digging it, but I guess because the other one was nicer to me. The other one I got for my birthday from my 2 daughters, and they gave me some other stuff as well, but because the flowers was in the kitchen, I just shared that on the channel. But this is nice too. It's okay. Yeah. Let me stop. Anyways, it's okay. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this quick laundry motivational, inspirational video. Thumbs up for more laundry inspo videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I also hope you enjoyed the grocery haul. Bye guys.